Latest on the transfer news, amathemu amaningi ayathenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga na. So ngizoqala nje ngeindaba eziphumwe namhlanje bafethu. Marumo Gallants sithole i-signing entsha bafethu. Lo mjida lo ube free agent igama lakhe uAzola Ntsabo. Azola Ntsabo bafethu uzo replace abane okumphotsha batsana. Lo osathanda kujoina nje uOrlando Pirates umjida ke bedlalela iChippa United previously but ke ubesa free agent bamthole umjida engadlaleli team bakwazile ukuthi bamsayine. Le top umjida uzokwazi ukuthi azakhele udumo lapho kuMarumo Gallants because Marumo Gallants imnikeza iplatform yokuthi abuyele kuBetway Premiership akwazi ukuthi adlale kahle umjida. Yabo bayasayina bayadedela badayise. Basayine badayise. Ngisakuyona nje futhi iMarumo Gallants bafethu. Ngisakuyona nje bafethu iMarumo Gallants basayina abanye abadlali abathathu okuRomaric Otara wase Ivory Coast mase kubo Emmanuel Mwinde wase Zambia mase kubo umsindisi kunene wala eSouth Africa abashintsha baba u3 bazodlalela iMarumo Gallants njoba nje livuliwe nje iwindi bafethu bakwazile ukuthi babasayine. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu abadlali beOrlando Pirates okubani okuTefo Mfukeng weOrlando Pirates oloniwe benoBobo Sima weKaizer Chiefs balonwe kule club le kuthiwa iBochodi Center Chiefs yale Botswana mase ukuthi umdlalo weKaizer Chiefs okubani oXolani Ecosa bamlone yena le kwiBlack Lions ona 21 years old eJwaneng Galaxy befuna ukusayina umdlalo weKaizer Chiefs okubani okunaledi Hlongwane but ke bahlulekile ukumsayina because iKaizer Chiefs iyenqabile yabo ibid yabo bayilethile bengasiyona ibid egculisa iJwaneng Galaxy so bahlulekile ukumthola uNaledi Hlongwane. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu uThulani Mabaso is set to sign his first year professional contract with iKaizer Chiefs. Umjida uzopromotwa nje kungekudala bazompromota kwi-first team yeKaizer Chiefs. Yesu sekwadlala before for i-first team yeKaizer Chiefs but ke ubengakayisayini i-first team contract. Manje ilapho khona ezosayina khona i-first team contract. Kuhlukile ukudlalela eclub i-first team nokusayina i-contract ye-first team. Letho umjida uzolithatha leli thuba leli alisebenzise kahle. iKaizer Chiefs engathi siyakwazi ke manje isiyabona into emele ngabayenza. Hayi lento leyo yokudedela ama-young stars bafika ama-young stars adlale kahle ku-DDC mase beyawadedela as free agents mase amathima nje ngo-TS Galaxy amathima nje ngo-Steelers beyabathathe labo badlali labo mase bebadayisa ngemali eningi kumathima nje ngo-Orlando Pirates nangomathima nje ngo-Sundowns. Yabo lama team lawa njengoKaizer Chiefs kumele enze sure ukuthi ayisebenzisa iYouth yawo. Basathanda kuwina nje bafethu iDDC. Basathanda kuwina iDDC last season. Asifuni ukubona most of their players going to other teams. Kumele nje iKaizer Chiefs yenze sure ukuthi labadlali bewine ngabo kakhulu iyabapromoter ibayisa kwi-first team ikwazi ukuthi isize lapho nalapho kwi-first team. Abana ama-funds are enough to buy those big stars but they can use these young stars to help and strengthen i-team. Yabo isikhona vele i-team lezansi. Yabo ayikho i-team phezulu. Yabo all of these players abadlala kwi-first team they are not playing as a team, so these young stars they may come there and add that togetherness. Ba-ede leyo nto leyo kuyangijabulisa ukubona izinto ezikanje bafethu. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu ama-games eBetway Premiership ayabuya ngomhla ka-19 January Mamelodi Sundowns iyobhekana ne-Orbit College mase kuse ngolesibili lapho khona iKaizer Chiefs esiyibona idlala neGolden Arrows. Kukhona United versus Steelers ngomhla ka-20 mase kuthi ngomhla ka-21 ngolesithathu TS Galaxy izobibhekene neMarumo Gallants mase kuthi ngolesihlanu ngomhla ka-23 January iRichards Bay iyobibhekene neSwelele FC mase kuthi ngomgqibelo Orlando Pirates iyobibhekene neSkhukhune United mase kuthi iOrbit College ibhekene neChippa United mase kuthi ngesonto amaZulu ayobhekene neTS Galaxy kuseDurban City ibhekane nani nePolokwane City. Ama-games kaba ayabuya bafethu. Make sure uyazi ukuthi yipi team uhamba nayo. Make sure iliphu zenu zi-ready. Make sure ukuthi i-team oyisupportayo izothola u3 points. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu i-team yakwiSAFA Western Cape ABC Motsepe League iHope FC isim-unveilile bafethu umjida ustriker uHamildin kade ke wayidlala lo mjida lo. Last time I remember umjida ubedlalela eclub ekuthiwa iDurban City FC. Angazi uhambe nini kwiDurban City FC but ke umjida basathanda nje kum-unveila as their new striker kwiHope FC. Kade aliqala ibhola lomjida lo sekuwuthando manje indlela adlala ngakhona ibhola ungazofunga ngempela ukuthi lo mjida lo kade akagugini. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu kuthiwa kune-app entsha ezophuma for ama-tickets for i-stadiums ala eSouth Africa. I-Stadium Management South Africa has confirmed to launch i-app ekuthiwa i-MyTicket. Le app le bafethu izosiza ukwenza amathikithi kube lula ukwathola. Izosiza amathikithi ukuthi kungabi nalento leyo ukuthi kube khona amathikithi amaningi ayifike. Yabo, muzofika nje nethikithi eliprintiwe uphinde futhi uyifikele nethikithi lakho elisefonini. Yabo, ngeke kube khona izinto eziningi lento le yala mathikithi lawa ayiliphu kanje. Hayi, lamathikithi kanjalo aseyaphuma manje steleni because most yabantu aseyawafeka lawo mathikithi lawo. So umuntu kusengawakazi ukuthi awathenga amathikithi esitolo mase ke ewayigcinela wona efonini yakhe. Yabo, awaveze mase waveza kwivenue lapho. Ungakwazi nje uscanner i-QR code yakho ku refresh kahle nje uyiskone i-QR code. Lento nje izoreduce ifraud, ireduce futhi ukuthi kugcwale e-stadium abantu bengene ngokungemthetho. Yabo, ngeke kodwa ukuthi izo-implementwa nini, but ke nayi i-app yona ibizwa ngani, ibizwa nge-MyTicket. Yabo, sifuna nje ukuyibona lento le implementwa bafethu going forward because abanye bethu siyahamba siyawabuka ama-games akubi mnandi ngempela mase lapha siminyaminyana siyongena. Yabo, kumele nje uwawuza okay ngine-app yami ekahle ngiyazi thithi lamlila. Yabo, abanye bethu ke siyakwazi siwathenga amathikithi digitally rather than standing ama-long queues. Yabo, umuntu vele olithandayo ibhola kumele uzame manje ukulithenga ithikithi online. Yabo, lento online manje siyaphuma estylini. So ngibona mina kumqondo omuhle kakhulu lo. Let's hope lento le bazosheshe bayi-implement, but I know lento le mhlawumbe bazoyiqala kule season entsha ezayo. Maybe bazoyi-implementa manje njengoba kuzodlala nje i-derby. Remember i-derby iyadlalwa next month if I'm not mistaken. So nje uyodlala nje i-derby ukhona vele open ticket. Last season ba-implementa ukuthi kukhona i-service provider amathikithi for i-stadium se-Orlando Pirates ne-stadium se-Kaizer Chiefs okuyi-Orlando Stadium ne-FNB. Open ticket, amathikithi amaningi bayakwazi bawadayise lapha. So now open tickets uyakwazi ukuthi ukudayisele amathikithi a-right, but ke into ebheda kakhulu ngo-open ticket ukuthi now ubu-crash. Yabo, ubu-crash now same as yabo most nje. Yabo, even uTicket Pro angifuqa manga. Hayi, mina I've never been a fan of uTicket Pro. Ticket Pro even last season kuyophuma nje lamathikithi lawo ebhola Orlando Pirates versus i-Kaizer Chiefs. Konje kwakuyini ukhompa ithikithi. Yabo, so kwakuyisiminyaminya nje, but ke bafethu ngangijose nizizwa kanjani